Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Raghav and I live in Norway. Today I'm really excited to have you on my journey with one of the finest world's motorbikes, Harley-Davidson. So today I'm just going to visit Harley-Davidson showroom in the beautiful city Bergen of Norway. So we will go into the showroom and check out all these bikes, their specification and pricing, and we'll give you the more detail, right, model by model, what models they have and what things they are offering here in Harley-Davidson motorbike showroom in Bergen. So you could see here, and I will just put the complete address into the description box. So let's go inside and check it out. So now we are going inside and check every model here in the showroom, right. So first I will give you a quick tour and then we will check bikes one by one. You can see they have every model what you want, and this is not only the bikes showroom, right? If so you are already having, riding Harley that, and you want to get this, maintenance and everything is done here, so you could come. So this is looks like they have all gears also, which we will cover at the later stage. Right, now you can see this Indian cruiser. I've been following this bike for a long period of time. Right, these one. And if I talk about the gears, though we will check gears later after the bikes, but you could find these here also, like jackets and merchandise, everything you could find here. Like, so let's talk about the pricing and everything. Let's talk about this bike, right, what its name and the pricing. This one is Harley-Davidson Touring, right? It's a street glide, and the model is of 2010, and it ran 94,000 kilometer already. So if I talk about the pricing, that is 229,000 kroner. And if you want to calculate in kroner or in euro, then just divided by 8, right? And this is the registration cost also. So this was of 2010 model Harley-Davidson touring bike. So the cost is almost 230,000. This one is also Street Glide CVO. This is also 2010 model. 66 kilometer it ran, and the pricing is 230,000 almost. The blue color you could find here. This one is Road King, right, and the pricing is 160,000 and 64,000 kilometer already ran. It's 2009 model. If I cover everything here, how it looks like. And this one is Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage 2002 model, 60,000 already ran, and the pricing is 124,900. That is 125,000 almost. Now you could see how beautiful it is, the real beauty. Everything. Right. This one. It's not updated. The pricing and everything. This one is a real beauty. My God. How it looks like. Now you could imagine. Superb. This is the new one. Amazing. This one is 2024 model. This one is Harley-Davidson RA1250 S Radar Pan America. It was 2024 model and the pricing is 350,000 kroner. So all these pricing are in kroner. Let's check this out from backside also, so you would have a better view. Amazing. This one is Harley-Davidson Pan America Adventure. The pricing is 280,000 and it's already 28,000 kilometer ran, and it was a 2021 model. So all these bikes, right, they already are the second hand, but they look completely new because they have a dedicated staff who just does servicing, maintenance, everything is done here in the Bergen showroom. This one is Moto Guzzi Cruiser, California, 2000 model, right, and the pricing is 129,000. It's in a red color. Let's see. This one is Softail. We just saw the same model there, right? This one is Softail Night Train. It's 2002 model and the pricing is 120,000 and it ran almost 86,000 kilometer. This one is touring bike, right, 2021 model and the pricing is 380,000 kroner. How beautiful it was. This one is Sports Glide 2024 model, right? It's a new one, right? Brand new, 375,000 price. That's almost right 376,000. Amazing bike. It's Sports Glide. Now you can see. I cover from every side. Super good. This one is touring Street Glide 117, 2024 model, and pricing is 500,000. That's super expensive, but looks also good, awesome. Though it already ran 1,500 kilometer, right? And the model is of 2024. The price is 500,000. Awesome. And this one is again the road glide touring, right, 2024 model, right, it's a new, right, and the pricing is 560,000 kroner. The gray color, like, looks so awesome. This one is Softail Fat 2023 model and the pricing is 407,000. It's a new, right? This one is on the long handle, right? Softail Stand Road 2023 model. It's a new one, right? And the pricing is 326,000. Awesome. This one is Sports Star. It looks like Sports Light because if you see it, like a Ghost Rider bike, right? 2023 model, brand new, and the pricing is 300,000 kroner. Look at the back side. Awesome. This one is Softail Fiber Brake Road 2023 model, right? It's a new, the model of 2023 and the pricing is 500,000. And this one is Softail 2023 model. Same, this one is 117, this one is 114. and the pricing is 401,000. That is almost 400,000, right? Now you could see. So these bikes I just wanted to show you here in this showroom. So you will find everything, right? And the bike which I was talking about, this is the Harley-Davidson India, which I had been following, right? And it was 2002 model, right? Pretty vintage Indian Cruiser Chief, right? 6,600 kilometer already ran, and the pricing is 150,000. So in 150,000 kroner, if you are looking for budget bike and Harley Davidson, that could be the good choice. Yeah. Right. This one is Harley Davidson Softail 2015 model, 219,000. That is almost 220,000 kroner. Amazing, right? This one is 2019 model, right? Harley Davidson Touring Steel Glide, and the pricing is 450,000 kroner. My goodness. That is almost 500,000. Harley Davidson there, all these models which we already covered. And this one is another Indian model, right? Harley Davidson Touring, right? Challenger Dark Horse 2022, right? 2,000 kilometers is already ran, and the pricing is 380,000. Now you could see the red color, that's completely blood red. If I cover it most. Super awesome. And this is not only a showroom, because if you buy Harley Davidson, right, you will become a part of community also, right? So that's the thing, right? It's of 2000, it's 2001 model, and pricing is, so that's why I'm just telling you this. In this showroom, you not only get expensive bikes. Suppose if you are having a very low budget, but if you just want to have that, look at this one, right? This is in only 65,000 kroner, right? Harley Davidson Sportster. So within 50 to 60,000, you also have these bikes, right? This one is almost 100,000 kroner. You can get a bike of 2011 model, 18,000 it ran, and the pricing is 97,000 only, right? And registration cost, this means registration cost. So 97,000 is the pricing, and registration cost is 2,000 extra. So that is almost in 100,000 you can get a Harley Davidson here. That was in 90,000. The model is 2007 and 18,000 kilometer it ran. It looks really good, right? Though it's ran for 18,000, 20,000 kilometer, but they look completely new. This one is of 2019 model, 14,000 kilometer ran, and the pricing is 9,000. That is almost 100,000 kroner. So within 60 to 100,000 kroner, if you are having a low budget side, you can get these bikes also, right? And if I summarize the most economical one, this is the 65,000 kroner bike, right? Harley Davidson Sportster. So, and this is and I will just show you there. They have a club also here, right, where all the Harley Davidson riders, they come and they have a party. So this is called Harley Davidson, club basically. So people just come, riders come, they chill out. They have their bar also, so it's closed now, but whenever they are having a party, so they come with their bikes and they are having a good time. And let's just talk about some gears, what they have, like jackets and helmets and everything what they have. I will just show you. Like these shirts, that is 1590, right? It's pretty good quality. Helmets, collar. So this pricing is 5,090, this helmet. So this showroom covers everything of your need as far as bike riding is concerned. Their jackets, if you want to buy jackets, right, they have awesome collection, right? 6,000 kroner you will get these jackets. This is of 9,000 kroner. This one is almost 6,000. They have wonderful tees and tank tops also, vest also 549. Right, awesome t-shirts, like it is 599. I can show you the price. Another jackets that is 5299, 5000. Awesome shoes like 3000, 2500, right, 3000. And denim also, that's pretty cool, 1099. So this showroom in Bergen, right, it offers you everything including bikes, gears, and jackets, helmets, everything. So whatever you want, you can come. I will just put the complete address into the description so you can watch it. So that was a small video I just wanted to cover about that whole motorbikes. So we covered like motorbike model, their pricing, all these gears. So that was a small video, so I hope you must have liked it. Let me give you a complete overview how big this showroom is. Like now you could see all these bikes are here. So you are most welcome if you are in Bergen, or if you are living in a Westland, and if you're looking for the best motorbikes option here, this place you must visit. And they have a various multiple financial financing options also with lots of banks. So if you are if you want to pay a certain amount like a down payment, and then you want to go with the EMI options, they also have this thing. So this thing I just wanted to cover. I hope you must have liked my video. So if you haven't subscribed, just do it. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.